Good morning, guys. I'm cooking here rice. I fry it. Then I add garlic and onion. Garlic and spring onion. So this is going about to be finished. So now I'm going to cook the shrimp. Just the same preparation yesterday. I will put a garlic first. Okay, I'm going to start now. Then bell pepper. And spring onion. See guys, the shrimp here almost full the pan. Huge. So many. Okay, let's check. Oh wow. Philip's here.
Yes, I'm
Waiting
just
for the shrimp.
Yep.
Okay. I need a little bit minutes.
Yeah, they need to
Cover
cook a little
it.
bit more.
Yeah. Hey guys. I think this is already done, Daile. Yeah. It's cooked already.
Well, let me taste one.
Get it. Good. Then?
I'll let them cook a little bit longer.
No, not really longer. Because this one will easily cook. Turn off the fire. There you go.
Set the camera down in the house.
Hey guys, let's eat now.
Yeah, let's go back and eat.
That's Philip food. And this is mine. With garlic rice. Super duper yummy. Tastes good really, the shrimp guys. A lot of meat. Thick. We're having lunch here now. A breakfast rather. With a shrimp that I cook. Super duper yummy, delicious guys. Let's eat.